It does not mean that you change so that you then eliminate my history. This is the same thing I've been talking about Nyakundi, who we have become. I know Muzi, when you Musati Muswati Muzi, when you're Ravana Bausi, when you're Nyumba, Songo, everybody else got the one because they are speaking English. Nonsense. If our people are not able to speak their language, the language is the culture. If that culture is not respected, then you can't respect even yourself. Nkio mogerako genda na Atlanta kwa nyorabu ate family ayo mwana okwana perfect luo na ndo kwandike songo kuna kivyo Obama. Why is it that in Tuaba Gusii we want to eliminate any history, any record whatsoever? In fact, no one thing any chiko Gusii tu alekoli abaona mawate wajilina machachacha. Endra matua wate ego solve all these issues nonsense. Diri kuneni tu alekoli lina unonyolete lina ugata niligoli ya ukiwa malaria. But you see, everybody now talks about no. We have moved. Modernity wants us one or two and call it spinach.
Don't call hope as a leader.
Why should I give you hope? I tell you the truth first, so that you can be able to figure out how to create your own hope.
You must inspire.
Why must I inspire you? My job is to give you the truth. If you accept it, deal with it. If you don't accept it, Nyakundi, ngale ngadu ade bihawa ndonga change uburai. Ndioroje ke toko kara. You think amamurawa toko lige chukura ni anziongo wote deba ende so that wachikora osibesa. We are going to demand that if we support you and you become a leader, you are accountable. You are accountable. I can't be in a country. Look at right now, about the Kenya pipeline. But
the parliament didn't want to reach you.
But the opposition, we said we are against it. Go and see how we voted. We said we don't want state.
The law was passed, Senator.
It was passed, yes, the majority has their way.
And your watch.
The majority has their way, but I have my say. I am a minority in that house. No, na yeke saga musali ogongo chanando bekere diga na ngotengo mwasati. Barenga baraje bakwanega. Bawo kuwa wa una bawo korra wa.
Adam.
Azo keben.
Aye bwana ngora.
Nyakundi. Tokundi. Enzeye takita abantu bagotenena babere batatu totebya abantu bunire. So that yabantu baboke, so that enseye needs a change we. Nyakundi ndi wacha agete ko iweka ngo na capitation weza njiko ende school. Ndina anze ko tanga shate iko kwa. Ndina anze ko teba ngata ko ni airport. Ndi tu acha ko teba amaguta aturukana. Mineral chire Kenya ga chisa ine to waka na madeni onsi pi to tu ali nye gitari abantu ba ndi school abana bangende university. Kenya can become what we want. It is because a few individuals are sharing the cake. Kereba nyore chiwe cheno, tuacha nechi land cruiser, tuabeka chianga, tuabatengia, tuabatevi, endo tuabaleta nechi besa, bekera ini tubai chibesa. Tualeta. Ongo sawa usiva mintonga chibesa chirachia hoteli, karie. I want to beg our people, please, akachikura ronge.
The Matiang issue, as to Chiga, you've spoke about it. Now, Bali Timino has spoken about it. Namba Matiang was so. But so, yes, Wanyansiongo, Bekereño.